Hey, Brent.
Is there a path? They found the path, didn't they? Let's see if we can find the path.
Go walk with Brent over there.
We gotta catch his path.
Okay. Got to just get help Grandpa Jerry if you can.
They make movies there and everything. And you see him, a whole bunch of planes, army, military planes. And
What are you on these things?
I don't know, pieces of wood. Maybe a homeless person.
let's walk down here if we can see some more. The Gemini,
Videotape
look how
me.
big that
Homeless
Gemini
people
is.
live out here?
Have you guys ever heard of Gemini?
Hello, the fantastical, the amazing Tom S. Jones.
Is there
Yeah! Ding, 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 ding.
Can we get up right by the wire? Let's get across these railroad tracks.
Be careful.
Watch out for the butt.
Whoa, there's a railroad car coming.
I don't want
Just
to get my
kidding.
shoes muddy because I gotta be all. I brought my dress shoes so I can dress up tomorrow.
Look at these American Airlines. Is there any American Airlines? I don't know. Let's see.
We want to stay on
There's no American Airlines.
a little red here.
That
Well, they're
sucks.
probably way on the other side.
Shows you how great this country is. Did you know that, Brett? After 9/11, we've almost stock is going up. Everything's continuing to grow, and property is going crazy. That's the best thing for our economy is the interest rates are low. Everybody can afford to buy.
Why don't they sell those planes? Why don't they just put
Because nobody would, if everybody would buy them,
Did
They
they
got
land
built.
them here? Did they land
yeah,
them here?
they land them at the
Yeah.
airport over here and then they just park them.
How'd they land them here, though? How'd they land on this rough terrain?
Wow, they got an
Do they
airport
have
right
a
there.
landing strip out there?
Yeah, that's
How many
Mojave
are there?
Airport.
Count them, Brett. Tell me how many is out there.
There's probably way more that we can't see.
1, 2, 3,
Way,
4,
way down
5,
there, I see a
6,
whole bunch of American Airlines.
7, 8, 9, 10. There's a bunch of them out here. There must be 100 planes or more. Which
Right
one is
into
that
the
with the
wing and
one
the
we're
blue
right
one?
in front of? It's got a big flag on the tail. Is that American Airlines? That big one there, is that American Airlines?
No.
It's not? What company is that?
American Airlines is a better plane than
What
this.
a waste. Look, the paint's coming off and everything else. paint's
That's not
all-
paint. That's not paint. That's the stuff they put over.
747. Grant, I used to fly on 747s when I lived in Hawaii. I take those 747s.
When I go to North Carolina, I take these.
Yeah, but you know what the 747s used to have?
Is this full of snow? Is
Can I
this
tell you
full of
something
snow?
about
Yeah,
this?
sometimes. I think
Can I
so.
tell you about the 747s? They were the way they were when I used to fly them.
What's this road?
That's a snake. Watch out, that's a rattler. It's a rattler. I hear the rattles rattling. Shut that thing will rear up and bite your leg off. Watch out for the. Oh, let me get in the movie. Look at the rattler. Let me get it by its head. It's a rattlesnake. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Be careful. I got it. I got it, you guys. Don't worry. Don't worry.
Don't get us too close to me. Don't get the rattlesnake too close to me. Don't want to bite me. Oh, take it over.
Oh, thank God. It bit my ear. Bit my ear.
You guys ready to go?
Yeah, take that with us. Take that with us. We can keep that as a souvenir. We can make a joke out of it. We can take movies with it. Yeah, keep that. Yeah, it's colored just like a snake, too. It's all different colors.
Can we keep it?
No. Okay. Be careful, Dad, going
got a
across
big
this
mouth.
railroad track.
Look, Matt. It's going to bite you. Look, Matt. Let's go back. We want to get there before it gets dark. Because
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
it's too hard to find a hotel in the dark.
So we're not going to get there before dark.
If you want to get that
What?
butt off your shoes,
We're not going to get there before dark.
you want to get there before dark, you guys. because it's nice now.
Take your shoes off.
Can I work? Can I have my shoes on? I have to off and take them off. Yeah, this is nice. They're almost done, huh?
Yeah. Oh, look at this sky thing.
Okay, we'll have Miss Pac-Man right there. Come to get it.
And then the park will be back.
Let's get it in the Gustine room, Tom. It's all white and it's a lot of sun there, huh?
Yeah, it's easy to see when you're coming up.
Get a lot of sun.
It's wet.
What's that?
I just shampooed it.
Wow. Lots of windows. Looks like they just vacuumed the rugs. Rugs smell new. And where's the park? I don't see any park. Where's the park at?
Well, they're still building it, but the park will be in behind.
Oh, this is nice. Can I barbecue? Can I barbecue out here?
Yeah.
And my ham radio work good out here.
Well, you're not going to live out here, so you don't have to worry.
I know I can't put up a beam, but I can use little verticals or something small.
Oh, you want to take a look at the master bedroom, Dad?
Yeah. So this is like the living. What is this here? What room is this? Is that the loft that you're talking about? Oh, he left the lights on.
Well, it doesn't matter.
Hey, this is pretty nice. I like the view. This is my room, though.
Yeah, look at the walk-in closet.
Huh?
Walk-in closet.
Walk-in closet? The bathtub and a shower, huh? Oh, yeah. First class. Wow. They put the closet off the bathroom nowadays, so.
Yeah.
Black and white,
At the Gustine house, it was the same way.
How about these bedrooms over here?
Yeah, these are nice too. I just checked them out. What's this? What is this? Bud?
What is it, a closet or something?
Oh, this is like, what if there's a tube in the middle of the floor? Tube going down the middle of the floor. Where would they have that tube at?
Well, that's a shower. Oh, no, that's a washer and dryer.
Yeah, why do they have it going down?
Because that's the drain. When the washer, when you finish.
People see us looking out their windows.
I like it. The walk-in closet here has a window.
Okay, I'll put my drum set here.
Yeah,
We're actually put here. Then if I wanted to get up to see what that's like.
We better get down there inside before somebody else grabs it. This is the living room here. There's a living room downstairs. What would this room here be called?
Huh?
Would be called the.
Is this like a
arcade.
bedroom or?
This is a loft.
Arcade.
This is a loft.
This would be the arcade.
Yeah. How do you like your house, Brent?
Good. Look, wait. We could put one arcade game here. One here. One.
I want to get the feeling of.
One there. One there. And we could put like some kind of mattress here to lay down. And then we could put another one right here. One of those ones that you sit down by. Wait, one of those ones that you sit down in. And you sit down. Or we could put. Wait.
Huh?
Race car game right here.
Well, this is a lot like your Gustine home, huh? The loft and. Make everything big, huh?
Lights on.
Whoa. I like the brick fence. Brick fences, you didn't even have that in Gustine.
No.
It's a deluxe. Everything's deluxe.
Yeah, because
so-
they don't wear out as much as wood.
No, I know. More security.
Oh, did you see the granite countertops
I
downstairs?
want to look. I want to look at the downstairs, but I didn't get a good look at the downstairs. This is first class, and this house is worth about $355,000 now. It's gonna be. You can make some bake. You want to bake potato? I'll bake you baked potato. I love these tops. Well, I'm really impressed.
See the little patio they got here?
Yeah. God, they don't crack like tile, do they?
No, they're upgrade.
Oh, is that an upgrade you usually pay extra for?
Yeah, but by us closing by the end of the month, they're upgrading this, upgrading the tile. This is not linoleum. This is tile.
Right, real tile, huh?
Yeah.
This house will last forever. It's built to last, huh? This
Yeah.
is where you prepare your food. Yes, sir. You know another thing I like about it? It's got a lot of light, a lot of windows, and it's all painted white, so, I like a lot of light.
Oh yeah.
So I can be very happy here.
Yeah, because look at the high. There's a lot of light that comes in.
Oh yeah, look at the skylight.
But that water's better than San Jose water.
I should live here.
Yeah.
I don't have to live in little old Las Vegas. Don't you think
Here's the garage.
Tom, don't you think I deserve a home
Yeah,
like this?
I know. It's
To
just.
upgrade myself? Don't you think I deserve a home like this to upgrade myself?
Mm-hmm.
My latter years,
Yeah.
in that 5 years or 10
So many
years,
people that live here don't just train.
6 months. Let me see.
Because Grandpa freaks out.
Right outside. This could be a party house.
Yeah.
Can I take a picture of you and Brett in front of the house?
Yeah. Yeah, we can do that.
Because inside it's not going to come out. I like the light. It look more.
And see,
more,
that'll be all a park right in back here.
huh?
It'll be all park.
Yeah.
all in back.
Is gas and electric expensive over here? How much is my gas bill going to be?
Well, if we're renting it out, we don't pay.
That's okay, Brett. You know how much trouble it is for me to tie my shoes? A lot.
That's okay, Brent.
No, not marks. It's just indentation because they just vacuum it. They just vacuum it.
Come on, Jerry Jones. Here, take me some pictures. Take some pictures of. Hang on.
expand. Hey, look, they got two air conditioners, one for downstairs and one for upstairs, just like that state.
Yeah.
I
Oh, I
love
didn't
these
notice
walls though. He said
Oh,
that.
they'll fix it.
He said that's the only way to go. He said he lives over in some other project over here. But I think I thought he was from this house.
No, he's the worker guy.
He's only got a little rocks, a few more rocks to put down there, and they're all done. This place is almost ready to move into. He said they got to do a little work back here. Did they put the lawns in too, son?
Not in the backyard.
No, just like front yard, right?
Well,
Or this not, it's going to be natural.
it's all desert.
Yeah, they go up.
They always put the desert style up, which is good because then there's no upkeep.
Yeah,
We can put these rocks back here, and then there would be no
yeah.
upkeep in the back.
Yeah, but they do, tell them to do that?
Well, no, they don't do that.
Oh, no, they don't do anything. with the
Rebecca
front
has
yard.
somebody cheaper that does it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Yeah, make it no low maintenance. So make it there, put the cactus. I want to get some of those big rock out. There's our bags and on the corner.
Yeah.
That's the next one.
No, you can have the Los Gatos one because I'm going to put the Sabercats one on.
I'm going to sit down, man. Let me sit down now.
Yeah. I think we gotta get on the road. Is there
It's probably like a radar thing or something. Oh. Look at all the
Look
fuel.
at that date. Look at all what fuel. What's all fuel?
I don't know, I don't know. The dirt
What's
there.
under here? Ooh, buddy, look.
What?
Oh, buddy.
Man, look at all the. That's a radar.
That one.
That's like an antenna,
If you got
communications.
hit by that?
Oh yeah.
Were these the ones that had like missiles and stuff? Or no?
These did, yeah.
Look, that's cool. That's cool.
Stay right there. Let me take you a picture. Okay. Oh, you.
See the Navy side? You knew this was a Navy jet, right, Tom?
Oh, that's cool.
See?
The back of the engine.
Yeah. Notice how they.
Look, it's all burnt up here. It's all
Oh yeah. Oh, you know what this is?
Um,
This is the hook that catches on the aircraft carrier.
Okay,
This thing lands on an aircraft carrier. Yeah. See the hook that catches it on the aircraft carrier?
Huh?
This is that hook that catches it on the aircraft carrier.
Oh, that's, yeah, that
It
catches,
hooks it. There's like a
For the
there's like a
carrier.
big
you know the cable they run
cable
across?
going across, and then that thing goes and it
Catches
catches it,
that,
and then
yeah.
it slows it down so it can land on the
I
carrier.
was just watching about it, curious. I knew it was Navy because of those big intakes on each side. You know what I mean, son? Did you recognize those intakes on either side?
Yeah.
These are the old ones, but the new ones look the same though. Or similar. Yeah. Well, this is very interesting.
Check to see if the thing's open. If not, then we gotta hurry
Yeah.
up and leave so you can go to the restaurant.
This is very interesting.
ooh, what?
This is pretty old, huh, Tom? But these are 70s or what's that? Oh, somebody built. Oh, the plane, huh? Oh,
Yeah.
Brent, that thing comes alive sometime. Tell him I want to.
Here, Brent. Videotape me for a second. Here.
Is it open?
Here, just for a second. So,
Putting internet in there?
Look at all the Navy guys in there. Look at all the Navy guys in there.
Picture?
Hi, guys.
no, you don't need.
I think the restaurant's open.
you're not supposed to do it that way anyways, because it doesn't put it on the
Yeah,
card.
it's open.
It puts it on the videotape.
This is where I got married. Well, I was, let's see, 31 when I got married, so I was 31. And I'm 69 now.
He is up there. So that's why I want to knock on the door to see if they'll let us up there.
Well, they might have some pictures because they like ex-Navy man.
Well, they
Yeah,
might
it's up
they might
there.
let us up there real fast. Just to look at it.
We could, yeah, we'll ask him.